Hello children, I'm here today to talk to all the students about the lessons of life which I learnt with time. You may feel, oh, you've learnt all these lessons and now why a new thing to be taught to you? But I'm sure you'll find this video interesting, informative, and helpful for all those students who are appearing 10th, 12th, who have passed out 10th, 12th, and who are going abroad or in India for further studies, to stay in hostel, away from home, or who are, even if they are at home, but who are now going to fly away towards a bigger, broader aspects of life. Remember that the course material that you will study now at a professional college, the syllabus will be much large and wide as compared to what you have studied before. You will face various challenges because no matter how, which school or which board you belong to, whether you belong to the SSC board, CBSE board, ICSE board, and you have learned a lot, but then still the professional courses are very, very vast. And since you're used to scoring 95, 96 plus in your classes and your school curriculum, you may not score that much 90 plus, 95 plus in your professional courses. Thus you may get disheartened, and you may consider it as a failure, or get worked up that, oh, you're not doing that well, suddenly what's wrong with you? There is nothing wrong with you, everything is fine. These are the challenges that you're going to face, and you need to be prepared for it. Kids, the definition of success, failure depends on the stages of life. It changes with the stages of life, and you need to review those definitions at every stage of life. What do you mean by that, what I'm saying? A very simple example. A 15-16-month-old child learns to walk, after falling, gets up, again tries to walk, and then finally, leaving both the hands, the child is able to walk without support and feels great, and everybody in the house is clapping at that the child is walking independently. Thereafter, you learn to walk so very well that you even forget that, oh, this was an achievement. And at your age and my age as well, if you are walking freely, running around, oh, it's not a big deal. You're so used to it. I mean, you don't feel anything great about it. But again, at the later stage of life, maybe that you have had a good longevity, and at 85, 90, 95 years of age also, if you are walking nicely free, children, that is success. Once again, that is success at that age of life, at that stage of life. So I hope you understand what I'm trying to say, that the definition of success and failure changes with the stages of life. So don't get disheartened or just quickly label anything as failure or as success just like that. After that, coming to failure. We spoke about success, but the great professional or successful person is also who has learned to rise from the failure, bounce back from failures, because failures are the stepping stones to success. For children who are going abroad in any country, note that racism does exist. You cannot ignore, you cannot deny, rather I would say, you do not deny that there is no racism that anybody faced. But what you need to do is ignore it, not react every time violently, aggressively, trying to reply back. Yeah, you will learn to cope up with it. But however, learn to take care of yourself. Marks do matter. Degree, post-graduation, graduation, further courses, super specialization, everything matters, children. But remember, nothing matters more than your life to you, to your parents. So please do not take any drastic step such as suicide, because when you're alone, away from home, away from parents, not getting the right food, maybe not of your choice, or different challenges, not exactly that you're able to cope up, and then this random thought comes, oh, I want to take away my life. It's not worth it. It's not worth taking your life away because you are, remember about your parents. Remember, your parents are living for your sake. You are not only going to take away your life, understand that you will also take away their life as well along with you. And in that suicidal attempt, if you do not succeed and you may live your life as a paralyzed person, it's going to be very, very wrong and not worth living then. Every day you're going to die a death. And that's running away from life. That's not the solution. You're going to face life, you're going to bounce back, you're going to take challenges and be successful again from it. Remember this forever, for eternity. Enjoy the subject that you study maximally, because this time is not going to come again. The youth is not going to come again back in your life. And therefore, value it and value your mother's love. Learn to strike a work-life balance later when you pass out, because children, you will know that after all your degrees and laurels and everything, you will come out and start maybe having your own setup, or you'll work for someone, and then you will realize that life per se is another big exam you got to give every day, and you need to be successful in it and pass it with flying colors every day. And therefore, these are the life lessons which I learned with great efforts. I'm sharing it with you for your benefit, and I hope you all take the maximum out of it and do great in life. Work-life balance matters the most, because every success has its price tag. It comes with a price tag of sacrifice. You got to sacrifice something to achieve it, and then you got to also take an account of it, whether what are you sacrificing, how much are you sacrificing, your health, your relations, and then ask yourself, what I am trying to achieve more than what I wanted, or is it worth it? Are my other sacrifices which I am doing, are they losing it? Is it worth it? The new success that which is going to come with a price tag. So learn to be content, because being content is the secret to be peaceful in life. Children often feel that breakups is the last thing in life. So please try to take care of yourself. God forbid, when you, if at all you face any breakups, be it for girls or boys, again, it's not worth it taking away your life for any of those breakups, because you are still young, and these are more of attractions, or you may say crush. Your brain, frontal brain, this part of the brain matures at 24 years of age, and after that is that you learn the reasoning power, and therefore you may take a wrong decision by feeling attracted towards someone, and then if it doesn't work out, taking a drastic step. So guys and girls, hold on, please don't take drastic steps, and remember your parents always, I would say, before taking any drastic step in your life. And then, by God forbid, again, if someone has hurt you, learn to forgive that person, let it go, and remember, you also got to thank them. Say why? Because those people who have hurt you will teach you the right lessons of life. Later on you will feel, oh thanks, you made me learn a very important lesson of life which you'll never forget. Lastly, I would say that be successful in life, but when you are successful, only call it success when you are also a good human being. A successful person is one who is a good human being. Lots of love, best wishes in life for your future endeavors. May all your dreams come true, dear friends and my dear little children who now don't want to be called as little children. So, dear friends, best luck in life. God bless you all, always.